Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. The third video about 10 tokens, potential realistic gains by end of this cycle. Let's dive in. Right, guys, today I want to talk about Bitget token, Aave, Bittensor, Tao, Cronos, MNT, Ethena, OKB, Pepe, Monero, and Polkadot. The realistic gains in percentage from this present moment, price where we now, and the realistic gains, what we can expect by end of this cycle, guys. This list, it's not like a top 10 tokens, top 50 tokens. No, guys, I just move on by market capitalization to not forget any token. So I move from token to token. So it's not like this 10 token is better than the previous 10. No, we talk about realistic just the gains, and I move with that 10 tokens list. So I already posted 2 videos. Highly recommend you go and check. Probably will be interesting to double check my thoughts if you're interested in my thoughts about these tokens with my custom indicator set. So we stopped it yesterday on Shiba Inu, this one. So, and yesterday was in least Uniswap, but today the OKB token is overperformed the Uniswap, but Uni was in the previous list. That's why, guys, everything in dynamic. That's why I move 10 by 10. So OKB, Polkadot, Bitget, and move down. So let's take a look with the X. So 1X is 100%, if you didn't know, for example. So the first token is OKB. Yesterday, I made a video about OKB token. The main point now why the OKB pumped at 200%, because you know, they just decide to burn the tokens. But it's simple, right? So you need to pump, just burn the supply. Why all tokens can't do the same? Sometimes the tokens can add supply. So be realistic also with the targets. Now we trade way over on the weekly time frame, way over exit line. My take, I think we can hit $156. Now 4.23 by FIB, maybe even higher, you know, if they will burn supply and there will be like 21 million tokens exist. So it's hard to say now how high the OKB will pump. For example, if we talk about a $200 from this prices, it can be like 63% pump. If we talk about the correction here was made somewhere on June 22, where was the time to buy OKB, we could pump to $200. It's going to be 2,000% gains. That's why, guys, everything should be in time. A lot of tokens like let's say Solana, Mantra, Injective, Fetch AI, the zone of accumulation being in somewhere too. Now these tokens like still get a limit for the pump, right? But not that much like it could be, right? If you accumulate in the right time, in the right moment. That's why imagine the people who accumulate in the Zone 22, they are already in profit, being like 1,400% gains. And someone now chase like, oh, I wanted to see on an OKB like 2,000% gains from this current prices. You have to build a realistic gains, because someone, guys, accumulated here, someone accumulates here, and they still hold it, and one day they will start fix the profit. So you need to build a plan not from your entry. Build a plan in global where the people accumulate the tokens. So that's the point. So I could add the OKB to the first point. So I guess it's limitation by 200%, like 100%, 200%, maybe 300%. But guys, of course, the OKB can go to the moon. You know, we can't know with that burn supply. We can't know where the token will stop. You know, maybe this token will be like a BNB, right? So, but anyway, if we even pump to 600, guys, it will be still from present prices is less than 5x. Just in case, guys. So anyway, it's gonna be here. Next token, guys, it's Polkadot. Your favorite Polkadot token. The Polkadot, it's the brilliant wasted time and wasted marketing money. So they paid the money for the Messi, Lionel Messi, for the Inter Miami. A lot of influencers paid. shield the jam, shield the Polkadot, and we're still dying here. Nothing happened, guys. I totally understand. People fall in love is like one of the cult tokens, right? But if the DOT so grateful, like people talk about this token in social, why? While all tokens perform, this token just stuck in a range like $11 and $3. So like $8 range or $7 or $9 range. So what's the point? 3 years, take a look. Since May 2022, we stopped it here around June 2022. We stopped it at 27 block. And that time we just waste in the consolidation. Yes, you can say a lot of tokens in consolidation. Yes, but a lot of tokens not a cool tokens. So we can't compare, for example, the some meme token or some gamified token like a Mobox, for example, or the Loca. Or I don't know, some 1 inch, let's say. Around 1 inch, zero trash talk about, wow, it's a great technology. We're super token, which is super fundamental token, is underrated, it's hot as jam. If it's a hot as jam, why? And it's so good, why it's not performed yet? So ask yourself, is this so good? Why nobody invests the money? So guys, it can be the great technology, it can be the good project, it can be the good product use case, but it cannot affect the price of token like speculation at the end. So think about it. Previous cycle, guys, if we count from the October 2020, not from the listing price, because the listing prices could be whatever they want, you know, they can list at any price. They can just show you, oh, this token listed at 1 cent. Bomb, take a look. We pump it like 70,000% gains. No, that's why after correction, the Polkadot performed like around 1,300% gains and finished the cycle. So why do people expect this run? We should skyrocket like 5,000% gains. I have no idea. So we are now underrated. I'm in Polkadot. Don't think I hate this token. No, it's not a fun. It's not some bad trash talk about this token. No, guys, I'm in Polkadot. I just don't like this stuff when the people fall in love in some cool tokens and just you know, like a kids. Oh, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. Yes, we're going to the moon for sure. Yeah, because you are in this token. And while other tokens already perform, people making money, make it real USD. After that, when the people stock, they call, oh, I'm a diamond hand. I'm for long run. I'm here for the long run. You're not here for the long run. You just stuck in token. That's the big differences. So DOT, I think, underrated. DOT can perform pretty good one, but I don't think so. DOT will hit the new all-time high. So we are now in a good condition to buy. I remind you again, I'm in DOT. I'm in current temporary losses, but it's okay because I'm with my targets to our or at break even or at the profit, you know. So I totally don't care about a DOT in general. So this for me, it's just a simple speculation tokens. We around the buy line. So if you're new and believe in DOT and you hear something about a DOT, honestly, I think now it's a great time to buy. Was not here a great time to buy, not here to waste the money with the DCA, not here. Now we around the buy line on the weekly time frame. First, take profit where you need to and can withdraw initial deposit with to ride with the free tokens. It's take profit 779 and more than sure, guys, we will hit that targets. So it's just a matter of time. $8.86. So now if you get like stable coins and you think, what token to buy now? Maybe the DOT in a good condition to buy and realistic potential of the DOT here, this one, it's at least, I think we're going to hit the 0.5 level by FIB. So from this current prices, guys, it's like 753%. So yes, DOT has potential to hit over than 5x. Yes. If you believe in new all-time high, you know, like 1.61 level FIB, $80, possible. possible. Do I believe in this one? No. I am more about the conservative price targets like this one 0.5, but it's still good potential like 761. So DOT, guys, in this rank. You know, on channel, I talk about realistic picture of the tokens. I'm not falling in love in any token. I don't care about all of these fancy internet useless tokens. I'm here to invest the money, and at the end, I need to fix the profit and increase my deposit so I can work with that, with the trades, with the futures, with the spot positions, and make my life better, not stuck in the chats, you know, with the crypto bros and talk about how cool this internet fancy token. Bitget, so fix it. DOT is here. Next one, Bitget token. Guys, I'm not a fan of exchanges tokens. No hate to the Bitget or the BGB token, but here, we already performed like crazy this run. People buying this token because they stake it, they participate in launch pools, they pay some, reduce the gas fee. So, you know, some use case like all other exchanges token. And like you can see the OKB token performed, the BNB token, the exchange token hit the new all-time high. And I guess the BGB gonna hit also the new all-time high, but I think they will stop around the $10. We trade way over exit line. It can be the retest like $3.93. But take profits test about like $3.49. Buy line in the next bear market, I think we will drop on the and test $2. So for sure. So to buy BGB was here around 2023 or so. Take a look. Just scroll it down the chart. So this one. So imagine. What's the point to invest in token when we get the chart like this one? For what? What gains people expected? Just in case. So take a look, 10 cents, 13 cents. So let's say here, 10 cents in June 2022. This token performed 8,000% gains. Congrats everybody who invested in here at 10 cents, and the BGB reached like 850. 8,000% gains. Nice. So the people complain, oh, this cycle so wrong, we can't make money. Sometimes, guys, you and me, we just made a mistake. Sometimes it's happened and we just invest in the wrong tokens. We can't know the future, but that's a fact. And now no makes sense to talk about, oh, we go into the $20 because I want to invest now and see the like 300% gains even if we hit the $20. But for the guys who invested in 2022, it will be like almost 20,000% gains. Feel the difference, guys. Everything should be in the right time, in the right moment. That's why, of course, guys, it's not attractive channel. On YouTube, people shill you all the time. No matter where we now in the charts, buy the deep, we go into the moon. $5 is not attractive. Let's talk about a BGB $200. Bam! So attractive content, right? A lot of views, not like 100 views or 300 views, like on my videos. Of course, this is how the social works now. The people in social sell the hopium. So this one, I think it's 100% or 200%. So in this rank. Next one, it's CRO. CRO is also, I also still don't understand how this token in top 30. First of all, who used the CRO exchange? One take. Second one, 34% tokens only unlocked, 33 billion tokens in circulation supply, $1, 33 billion market cap. All-time high by market cap being like 24 billion. Based on what? The Cronos should reach that targets. Previously, of course, it was a great marketing campaign. You know, you remember this hype. After that, we crashed it down like crazy. So most conservative price targets, I guess, is like 65 cents. If we use this is like a top, this is support on the weekly time frame. This looks like this one. 27 block one support bounce, drop on the 27 block consolidation. Now we trade way over, not way over, but around the take profit line on the weekly. So First trouble area will be sweep of this high of December, November 2024, close the monthly gap. So 18 level by FIB. Here, this one, 0 level, 32 cents. Full fill will be 35. Most positive case scenario, it's 65 cents. I'm not sure even about 65 cents. But it's basically possible. So let's count. Anyway, it's 332%. So not a big deal. But for the guys who accumulated here at the bottom, it's going to be just like 1,200. That's why, guys, everything should be in time. The crow is here. Take a look. The next one is Monero. Just recently we saw the cubic issue with the 51% attack. I don't think so. It will happen. And Monero crashed it down a bit, you know, some FUD around, so they will change the this, you know, everything, the privacy around the, but I'm not sure about it. I believe that we trade in this channel. Also, guys, I recommend you, if you're interested more in some token, just go to Telegram channel, type the ticker name, and find all of these charts, because most likely I post the videos with detailed analysis for all of these tokens, guys. Maybe the Crow, I just ignored. All other tokens already analyzed and showed you the million times the videos and explain it, all ideas. That's why I just a video about it again. So if we trade in the channel, this is a global channel since May 2014. So touch. So all-time high can be around $600. It's hard to say about a timing. So for example, if it's October, November, 585. Most positive case scenario, it's 731. Time to buy was here at the test of 27 block when we formed the equal lows. So, and of course, congrats everybody who still hold the Monero, because after the Binance delisting, not all tokens survive. So it's pretty strong one. Should we drop now to the test this line? I don't think so. I think we will drop later. I don't know, it's going to be the March, some 29, October, some 28. It's hard to say about timing, guys. But anyway, it's not like a time to hop in XMR, you know, because it's not a low cap for almost 5 billion market capitalization. So most positive case, by my personal opinion, is 731. So anyway, it's under 200%. So still here. Of course, guys, I understand, you know, you maybe don't like this content because it's not attractive gains, you know, but just zoom out and take a look how this token performs in the previous cycles, you know, and take a look the realistic potential gains of this one. The Ethena. The Ethena 44% tokens unlocked at 6.62 billion. In circular supply, $1, 6.6 billion market capitalization, FDV 10 billion, so it's not good one. All-time high was like 5.6 billion capitalization. I think the Ethena can hit form that double bottom, 1, 2, double bottom, and the size of this double bottom, if it's so obvious, right, can be like, I don't know, $2.50, I guess, $3, this one, 285. All right, so let's count. 285 from the bottom here in September 2024, it will be 1,300, so like a Polkadot, right? But if we count from current prices, it's 259. All right, so it's, if not so attractive, let's imagine the Ethena hit the $5. Yes, it's 529. A $5, it's for Ethena. It's like 30 billion market capitalization, even more. So 33 billion. Possible. Maybe. I don't think so. But 33 billion, guys, imagine. It's kind of huge numbers with the unlocks. So next unlock in the next 15 days. Who knows, but I don't think so we're gonna hit the $5, but it's real, And from that low, it's gonna be like 2,300. So, all right, let's dream about it. Let's dream about it and add the Ethena here. All right. But anyway, guys, it's still 5x, 5x. And someone writes leave the right comment in the comment section. So this cycle is so delusional. The 4 or 5x for this run from this current prices is so like a gift. Yes. Too much tokens, not so much liquidity. So institutional focus more on BTC and Ethereum and on the main players, not on some low caps tokens. So like in Zone 21, you just blindly click buy any token, it skyrocketed to the moon because of COVID, because the United States print the money. Now they don't need to print the money. Everything okay. They just will use the stable coins as liquidity. The Pepe, around 4.8 billion market capitalization. I think the Pepe will hit the all-time high again. But guys, once again, let's count from correction. Here, September 23, Pepe performed like 4,600% gains. So if we hit, let's say this one, attractive, like a magnet number, 0.405, right? 8,300. From these current prices, it can be still less than 5x, just in case, guys. But for that, guys, we'll be like, and imagine it's on a max. Pepe traded before the max on the DEXs. So people also draw the head and shoulder pattern for the Pepe. I don't think so. This will happen. I think we'll see something like this one and go higher to build a 1, 2, 3 rise pattern to the top. So the Pepe also here, guys, unfortunately. It's just my personal opinion, guys. MNT, Mantle is of almost 4.6 billion market capitalization, FDV twice bigger, 3.37 billion supply, in supply, so 54%, highest point of the market capitalization being like 5 billion, so almost at this current moment, this one. So price move together with the market capitalization, it's a good one. It's a good one. So let's say 3.4 billion and where's the chart, this one. It also looks like double bottom. April 24, it's a weekly time frame. 1, 2, and we have to break this high. After that, there's some small pullback in September. We now way over exit line, but the size of that double bottom, yes, it's logical to see the higher price, like 250, for example. It's more than real to see, and it will be like 250 to, so it's, I don't know, it will be like, let's count 7 million, 1, 2, 3. So 3 billion, 1, 2, 3. This one, 250, 50. It's 8.4 billion market capitalization. Possible, basically. So almost 10 billion market cap, right? All right, let's use this one. Anyway, guys, it's on the 5x, Imagine if we hit even the $5, guys, from this current prices is 266%. $5, almost 17 billion market cap. So the all-time high of market cap being like 5, and we're gonna hit the 17 billion. 3 times bigger market capitalization from this current prices, and it's still under 5x. That's the reality, guys. Next one, Aave. I think the Aave can hit all-time high. Time to buy Aave been here in zone 27, zone 22 in 27 block. Made zone 22 till the last test, August zone 24. It was an accumulation zone. Now the reward will be open to 419, and I believe the Aave can hit the all-time high like 975, around 1,000. So it's just my personal opinion, you know. It's possible, personally for me. I think 15,210, let's say 15,210,000. It's like 975. So 14 billion market capitalization for Aave. Yes, possible. Why not? So like twice bigger the market capitalization than it was at previous high. So yes, I've still got a room for pump. I remind you, just if we compare, it's not a signal to buy, but Polkadot in this block, just in case. We can't know are the Polkadot will pump or not. We can't know, right? But based on risk ratio, right? So Aave is like 200% gains from these current prices. If you believe, for example, in 1,473, it's still under 5x. Guys, this is reality. And 1,500, for example. So 22 billion, 23 billion market capitalization. Possible, but still under 5x. Ba-bam, that's the point. Mantle, I forgot to add it here. Bittensor, guys, the last one. Also, yesterday some comment was like, oh, Tau is easy 5x, 10x. Maybe, but take a look, 9,016,000. Yes, I understand how it's AI, 9,6, this one. Let's open the chart. The highest point of the market cap being like 5.47. Now it's 3.6. This is a chart of Tau. Highly recommend you go and check the first video. Also looks like double bottom, right? 1, 2, and now we have to test the take profit like 539, sorry. Next one, exit line 606, and break this high to talk about upside move. I don't think so. We're going to test the buy line, but it's possible. Test the buy line now, it will be 272. But if we count this fee, by the way, they're still relevant. Still relevant. If we talk about, let's hide the fee, this one. And here's another one. We close, like you can see, the monthly gap till penny to 0.5. So if we talk about here, 1,000 per Bittensor, it's 158%. 1,000. 9.6 billion. Let's talk about a 2,000. Still less than 5x. 2,000. 19 billion market capitalization. Honestly, I don't think so. The Bittensor will reach the 2,000. If we will, imagine the gains for the people who accumulated in May 2023. So 5,600% gains. Even if we hit it, right, it will be still under 5x from these current prices. So guys, I hope you like this video. This is not financial advice, guys. It's just my personal thoughts about these 10 tokens. It's not ranked by gains, what to buy, what to sell. No, guys, I just share updates and take a look what the realistic gains, potential gains by end of this cycle, because all of these tokens I track 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Highly recommend you go and find by ticker name all of these videos, all of these posts, all of ideas, so you understand the logic why we are now here and where was the time to buy some tokens in 2022, 2023, 2024. Some of tokens still underrated, some not. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel. Don't forget your Monero channel. See you next time, guys.